Double-click on downloaded file. Click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Click Next. Accept the agreement and click Install. Here USB is already selected. Click on Net and from drop-down select PosBox printer or IP address. Click on Install. Printer installation is completed. Now go to Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners. Here you can see that PosBox printer is installed. Click on that. Click on Print Test page to check connectivity of the printer. You can also explore preferences to make changes in the printer setting. Here default paper size is 100 mm by 150 mm. You can click on drop down to change the label size. You can click on Add Paper Size to create a label size of your choice. In Print option, you can change speed and darkness of the printer. Maximum speed should be 100 mm per second. In the Cutter option, you can change if it should cut in the end or after each print. Hope this video was helpful.